What is up there, SEO pros? Welcome back. We're doing SEO for Affiliates Part 10. This might be a little bit of a short one today. We're just going to be going over some of the things that we need to send over to Crystal. And I'm actually going to be sending this to Crystal afterwards. And what we're going to be going over is sort of like what we need to do for some of the review stuff. And I'm going to just kind of show you guys and her how to do the aggregate reviews that you're going to want to do for like affiliate review sites. So I think we'll get into that first. So all we have to do for that is just go over to the websites. Let me just log in really quick. And I thought I had this set up. So let me just minimize the screen for a second. Or sorry, blank out the screen for a second. It'll just be my face while I get these passwords. Hope you guys don't mind looking at my face. Alright, hold on. I'm logging in. Just grab this. Uno momento. I technically should have logged in beforehand, but it is what it is. All right, we are in. Let me put this back down over here. All right. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go into the review plugin. So the review plugin that we got is called, let me get it, it's called WP Review. And if you guys want to get it, I can just link to it in the description. Let me just pull it really quick so you guys can have it. We should update these plugins at some point too, but I don't want to update them without knowing if they're using any of these plugins for anything specific on like design. I don't want to update them and destroy any of the design. So let me grab this, and this is the plugin which I will take from should have a website. I guess I'll just grab this. Oh, I just saw it. Here, go back. WordPress.org plugin homepage. Here we go. So I'll grab that and put that in the description if you guys would like it. It's down here. And this giveaway is done, so I'm going to get rid of that. Cool. So what we're going to do is just show you guys how to use this. So once you install it, what we're going to do is go to any of our posts. So for instance, if we wanted to do a review for a mattress. Now, let me just tell you guys really quick. You don't want to review like every page. So if we look at the website, so say we go to Our Sleep Guide, we wouldn't want to do a review on the homepage because that's not a review. We only want to do a review of a product we are reviewing, right? So if we do site : Our Sleep Guide, you can see here we wouldn't do a review on the blog because that wouldn't make sense. We wouldn't do a review on mattress coupons because that wouldn't make sense. So people do this because they want the little star ratings underneath these URLs, which is what I'm going to show you how to do. But for the actual reviews themselves, those are the only ones that you're going to want to do it on. So like not even mattress reviews, that wouldn't be a review. The only review would be an actual thing, like for instance this product right here. So you would be, if you were doing a review like this is a page we would use. So let's go find a review. We'll go to mattresses here. And there that one is that we just saw. So we click on that. And once this plugin's installed, it's really easy to use. All you have to do is just scroll down. And I did test this on my own site to make sure it worked and everything was fine. And so you can see here, if we go down, now it is a little laggy. I've found that this happens a lot when you actually have a large post. WordPress starts lagging on the back end, which is really annoying. I'm not sure if this is happening for Crystal or not, but I'm assuming it is. Either way, if you keep scrolling down, oh, I guess we must have missed it. Hold on. We're going to have to go back up, unfortunately. Let me go to a shorter page that isn't lagging as bad as this one, because this is not driving me nuts. So we'll go to this one. And I think actually I can just, there it is. So, there it is. Scroll up. So right here, it says or it just says review. All you have to do is just click on this. You're not going to do point or percentage. I've never tried that. I don't know why you would want to do that. So we're just going to do star. And then you can put a review heading. I found that this isn't necessary and it looks kind of weird when you do it. So I can show you what it looks like. I'll just show you test heading. And then this is where you're going to want to add the feature name. So this would be like whatever the title is, right? So like, for instance, if it was a certain type of mattress, you just do, you know, Satva or whatever you're reviewing, you know, say you don't have a mattress site, I don't know. And then this, I don't know why this is here, because this is like, I guess this is 5, and then total would be 4, we'll say it's 4.5 total. I think that's how you do it. Let me just double check that. And you can put a custom location, custom colors. I don't know why you would want to put a custom location. Oh, this is after content. Yeah, so this is if you want to put the review before the content. And then this is where you would just summarize, like, overall, this is a great mattress, you know, whatever. Hey, how's it going? Come on in, man. What's going on?
How are you?
Good. We're live right now on YouTube. You want to say hi to everybody?
Very cool.
There's only 9 people on this one, but the last one we had was like 40.
Hi, everybody.
I will be done with this stream in like, are you going to be around for like 30 minutes or
Yeah,
so?
I'm going to be sitting right up by the kitchen.
Cool. So I'll talk to you in like half an hour or so, if that's cool.
Sounds good. I'll be here.
Right on.
Thanks.
Yep. Okay, so what we're going to do is just preview this post. Let me just press preview. Why can't I scroll? Okay. We're getting there. It's just slow. So I'm going to click on preview. And theoretically, we should have a star rating now. Now, one of the things you will want to do once this is done, you're going to want to take the link and, of course, submit it to Search Console. And when I did this, I literally got the reviews in the search results within like 2 hours on one of my posts. But either way, if we scroll down, you can see here at the bottom now, it should have it. Somewhere around here. Let's see. Conclusion. I don't see it. Let me just open up the properties. Maybe it's in here somewhere. Let's try out, what is it? What was one of the words we had in here? Oh, this page is freaking out. Overall, this is great. Overall, this is, so there it is. Let's see if we can find it. Overall, this, there it is. So here you can see at the bottom right here, test heading, Satva, or whatever, 5 stars overall. I don't see, that's why I don't understand why there's 2 different stars here. But if we look at the structured data testing tool, which I think we can still use on a previewed post, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure you don't have to have both the fields. Boom. And if any of you guys need help, or Crystal, you need help, or you don't understand how this works, just let me know, and I can go over it over a call with you. But yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do, and then you have it ready, good to go for the posts. So super crucial to do this so that you can get the higher click-through rates. I'm pretty sure you know, you get at least over like a 1 to 3% improvement in click-through rates just from adding the aggregate ratings, which is why so many people do it. So that's it for that part. We got to address the next part of this. SERP Mine SEO says, hey Chase, WP, get the star rating really fast. I keep 4.8 or 4.9 to make it legit, adding 2 to 3 perimeters. Yeah, so I mean, it's probably not a good idea to add like 5 stars to every post, because it can get picked up as spammy. And you do have to be careful about this stuff, because I think in some cases you actually can get in trouble for using spammy structured data if you're not doing it right. Victoria says, hey, just got here. We'll have to watch again. No worries. This is, like I said in the beginning, not too comprehensive of a tutorial, but it's going to be a good one, hopefully. Also, you can see this is the most people we've ever had in this chat room at once in Discord. So I really encourage you guys to go to the link in the description and, whoops, shoot, sorry, and check out the Discord channel. All right, so I'm just going to address the next points of this email because I sent some stuff over. Can we enable push notifications? So basically for that, we would just make it so that people can get notified on the website when we do new posts. So the way this works is if we go to push crew, we can put some code on the website, Crystal, where what we can do is people can opt in and then when we're live or you do a new post or you release a new product, you can send them a push notification on any network. And I'll show you how you set this up. Basically, say you had 32 people from the website. So what you can do is, since they've all joined, at any point, say you make a new video or you make a new post or you're selling a new thing or you have a discount code, you can notify them just by putting in new discount code like this, whatever you want to say. Head over to YouTube to find out more. And then you would put the URL to your YouTube channel or wherever you want to take them. You could put a little logo, and this will notify them here. Let me see if I can just segment out. I don't have any segments yet. But you can notify them in their browser. It'll pop up here and show them basically this. And you can also notify them on their phones, I believe, as well if you upgrade it, which either way, we do want to start putting this in the website. So I was just asking your permission to be able to start asking people for push notifications. The other thing I wanted to ask about was the Google My Business page. We do want to get that up so we can start driving some reviews to it. Would look really good on us to have something like this where we can pop up in the side with the Google My Business, sort of like how I have it for my own stuff. You can see here. So we do want to get that going. I don't know if you got the verification code. We can resend it if you want. I think it was sent like a couple weeks ago or maybe a month ago. I'm not really sure. I also saw that we were doing paid traffic, so I think it would be a good idea for maybe us to design a couple landing pages, because I think right now it's just going to your homepage, and if we're not tracking conversions through AdWords, which you can sync up your conversions from analytics to AdWords, we might want to A/B test to see if we can get more conversions from ad pages, and then we should get that checklist going for like. Something around checklist to buy a mattress, which was actually a suggestion from one of our YouTube viewers. And that would be really good to be able to put in our posts sort of as an upgrade. For instance, like in here, download the checklist now for buying a mattress. So if they don't actually buy from this, we at least get to capture them on email and by them having downloading the checklist, and then we can, of course, remarket to them if they decide, or if they see our stuff when they come when we send out notifications. We should also get text to sign up code for the YouTube channel, which what that is it's basically like, for instance, if people right now are to text the word SEO to the number 66866, they can opt in for the free Facebook group. It'll send you a link to the Facebook group. We could do the same thing for us, except for the checklist, which would be a good idea to set up. And then the review markup, that's what we already covered. The other thing we might want to do is some sort of giveaway. This is a great way. I've been doing these a lot now with this thing called Gleam.io, where we can send people to different contests and basically grab emails and subscribers or Facebook likes or whatever we want to do. You can see here we got all these different people like tweeting us out on Twitter. You can see this here. We got a bunch of people saying, I entered the Chase Reiner SEO giveaway. And so it might be good to post some contests on the site as well. I don't know what you would give away, maybe a free pillow or something, but basically the whole idea is that the long-term game plan for us is not just to do SEO, but also to grab the traffic we're getting, because we are getting a good amount of traffic now. We want to be able to contain that in certain places to be able to control our own traffic and not have to only rely on Google. Does making keywords bold help? What plugin are you using for that rating widget? So I just put it in here. It's at the bottom of the description. Schema review markup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In terms of the keywords in bold help, I definitely think, it's a good idea to put some of your main keywords in bold, but not to go crazy about it. I know our sleep guide does a lot of bold stuff on their page, which is, I don't know if it's completely necessary, but maybe it's working for them. So either way, appreciate you guys for stopping by, and until I see you all next time, happy SEOing.